Hi, in this video I will show you how to add YouTube subscribe button on WordPress site without any plugin. Most of the uh, in website we need a subscribe button for YouTube channel. So sometimes we need to download any additional plugin for that. And by using lot of plugins, the sites may um, behave like very slow. So in this video I'll show you how to add a subscribe button without using an additional plugin. Okay, so let's go to a website. This is the website whatsapp.com. You can see this is the site, and in this site it doesn't have a YouTube subscribe button here, but I want to add a subscribe button maybe here or maybe in side bar at bottom or maybe at the bottom here, a subscribe button. Okay, so in order to do that we need to go to this site like developers.google.com/youtube. Okay, I will paste this link in my description so you can check. This is the site. Once you go to this site, scroll down, you can see here the subscriber button. Click on the add-on button, or you can see the tools section at the bottom. You can see configure a subscribe button. These two things here. Okay, now once you click, you will get configure a button here section. In this section there are some fields we need to fill, then it will create a button for us. So first thing you need, it will ask you the channel ID. This is the most important thing. You need to find out your YouTube channel ID. In order to do that, go to your YouTube channel and find out your channel ID. Either you click on this directly. Make sure you are using the same YouTube account that you want to create a channel. Okay, so here you can see, and once you click on this link, in ID link, it will take directly to this advanced setting page. Or else you go to the YouTube, you go to here your settings, then go to advanced settings, then you will land in the same. Okay, either you click here or you do it manually from there. Either way you can do it. Once you are in this page, you can see here it is a channel ID. This is the channel ID. You can copy this channel ID and you can actually remove this one and paste this channel ID here. Okay. Another thing, you can also find the channel ID in the YouTube URL. For this, let's say I will go to this YouTube channel URL. You will see this is the YouTube channel, and from the URL you can see youtube.com/channel/ this is the thing. So this is your channel ID. So the same thing will be here. Okay, so in couple of ways you can get your channel ID. Either copy from your channel URL, or you go to the advanced setting and copy this here. Okay, once you paste it, then it will give you layout option. By default it's tick box, or you click on the full, you will see the different variation at the bottom. If you by default it will not show the logo, but if you click on the full, it will show your logo and your channel name and your YouTube subscribe button and subscriber count. Okay, and theme by default it is white, and if you want to make it dark, you can also make it dark. but I want to make it the default. Subscriber count, it will show you subscriber count like 16. Sometimes you may want to hide this button, or sometimes if you want you can also show this button. Okay, I don't want to show. I will just want to show the subscribe button. Once it is done, it will give you one code, one scripting code and one HTML code. You need to paste it where you want to display the subscribe button. So just copy the code. Now go back to your WordPress dashboard. First find out where you want to display this button. Let's say this is called Follow Social. Here it is there already, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. Now I want to add a button. I want to add one subscribe, YouTube subscribe channel button. Okay, so how you know to do Follow Social. This is the sidebar I am using. You need to go to the widget section. It may be something different if you are using some other theme, but most probably it will be same thing. This is the default sidebar. You can see this is the Follow Social. It's already here, Follow Social. Then you can see latest post is there. You can see latest post. In this between this widget and this widget, I want to put the YouTube subscribe button. So how to do that? My theme provides already YouTube subscribe button channel, so I can do it directly here. But if the theme doesn't provide this theme, then you will go to this section like custom HTML code. Okay, you need to find here the custom HTML, and which I will add to the default sidebar button activity. Okay, now I will paste the code over here. Now I will put subscribe our channel. Okay, then save it. Now I need to change something like Follow Social latest post. This is Follow Social latest post. I want to show in between this, so I will just drag and drop to here. Okay, and the same thing I will do for the photo section also. I want to display one YouTube subscribe button here, so I will add this photo widget. You can see this is footer column 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see follows. I can add another custom HTML here. Then I will paste the code again. Then I will write something title subscribe our. Okay. Then save. Done. Okay, now I have added two things. Let me check if it is working or not. Now refresh this thing site. Okay, you can see now it is showing YouTube subscribe button here, channel, and here also it is subscribe channel YouTube. Okay, so if someone will click on this, then it will directly take to the another one. If I am opening this to a private window, let me see. series. If you click, if you it's about the mouse, you can see sign in to subscribers written already. Okay, in this page it is not showing because I have already signed in and I have already subscribed to this channel. That's why it's not gray up, it's not working. Okay, so in this way you can create a YouTube subscribe button without using any additional WordPress plugin. Hope you like this video. Thank you.